Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nut tools for climbing that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 3, we have the Metolius Torque nut tool. This tool stands out with its innovative design, featuring a curved body that lets you easily hook and pull out stuck nuts. It's made from hardened 420 stainless steel, ensuring durability even with heavy use. The built-in wire gate carabiner is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to clip the tool conveniently to your harness. Performance-wise, the Torque nut tool excels at handling tricky placements. With its hooked nose being perfect for cam trigger bars, it also doubles as a wrench for all common bolt sizes, which adds versatility to your climbing kit. However, its larger size might feel cumbersome for those who prefer a more compact tool. With a 4.5-star customer rating, the Torque is a trusted option for intermediate and advanced climbers. If you value durability and multi-purpose functionality, the Metolius Torque nut tool is a great pick, though its higher weight might not appeal to ultralight enthusiasts. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Cavanuts nut tool from Climbing Technology. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list at $20.38, but it doesn't skimp on performance. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, and it's well-suited for climbers of all skill levels. The sleek black finish gives it a modern and professional look, which is a nice bonus for style-conscious climbers. While the specific features of this tool aren't heavily detailed, its price-to-performance ratio makes it a strong contender. It's compact and simple, making it an excellent choice for those who want a no-frills solution to dislodging gear. However, this tool lacks advanced features like a built-in carabiner or multifunctionality, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, the Cavanuts nut tool is a fantastic budget option that gets the job done. It's perfect for climbers who want a reliable tool without breaking the bank, but it may not satisfy those looking for premium features or cutting-edge design. Finally, at number 1, we have the Pro Key with Leash by Wild Country. This tool is the epitome of functionality and ease of use, making it the best overall nut tool on the market. The thin, accurate tip is designed for removing nuts from even the tiniest slots, while the wide, flat base allows you to apply leverage using your palm, perfect for those stubborn placements. What truly sets the Pro Key apart is the included leash, which keeps the tool securely clipped to your harness when not in use. At just 3.84 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable, thanks to its high-quality aluminum construction. This tool strikes a balance between precision, strength, and convenience, making it suitable for all levels of climbers. With a stellar 4.7-star rating and hundreds of positive reviews, the Pro Key is a proven favorite among climbers. If you're looking for a reliable, well-designed tool that can handle any situation on the wall, the Wild Country Pro Key with Leash is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.